So as I said before, what I would do is cut around this metal object here, so we don't have to deal with removing the entirety of the package. But be very careful, because if you do it this way, what a horrible thing that we need to do, you could cut your fingers, and that would be obviously bad, as well as you could damage the rubber on the tank bit here, which would also be a horrible thing. But the worst possible scenario is you cut your fingers. That would be one way to make it to the hospital and ruin your, if you bought this for Christmas, it would be one way to ruin your Christmas. Why they made packaging this way is...
Likey